Hi everyone, and welcome to Dawn Patrol Day 2. I am going to slowly build you up through the sequencing as well, so it's not going to be like something really intense or aggressive as we move along. So you'll notice as we grow through this series that you'll kind of notice a shift in how I'm explaining the movement and what I'm offering to you. All right? So we were seated on our hands and knees for yesterday, so go ahead and drop back down to your knees. And I just want you to practice sitting back on your heels, which we talked about yesterday. Remember that pillow beneath hamstrings and calf muscles? And then pop your hips forward. Good. Sit and pop. So finding strength in the hips here to push forward and really try to tighten up your glutes. Good. Let's do 3. Exhale, push. Don't worry, it's not a workout. It's just a little stretch. And 1. Good. Right foot steps forward. Trust me, when my alarm goes off at like 5:20, 5:30, 6 o'clock to teach and train, sink forward. It's not easy, all right? So if you're setting that alarm a little bit earlier to be up with me to practice, awesome. Especially if you're going to get it in before your regular movement, right? So maybe your workout's in actually like 5 hours or later in the evening. Good, just sink forward, hold now. Put your opposite hand on your hip and just hold and stretch. 3. And if this is way too much, you're just back here, okay? 2. I'm proud of you for being here. 1 more. Good, exhale, switch. Again, not the easy stuff, okay? Opposite leg comes forward, and we're just gonna sink in. So yesterday we sat, we took a few breaths together. Today we kind of went right into the movement. And you'll notice again that I'll switch up each day for you. And the reason that we're doing this like repetitively, which is considered dynamic stretching versus a static stretch, is because you've just awakened the body for most of us, okay? And if you're not doing it exactly at this time, again, totally fine. Sink forward. But again, a lot of the design of the sequencing is based around just awakening the body, sinking in, breathing. 3. Oh yes, 2. Good, and 1. Slide that leg back. Beautiful. Go ahead and inhale. Take your right arm all the way up into the sky. So it's called hands and knees, tabletop. Good. Stretch and reach. I feel like everyone says, I need to stretch more. I need to stretch more. That's what you're doing. You're stretching more, okay? Just let it be that. Switch sides, okay? Left arm, inhale, reach. 3. Push down, reach up. 2. Good. Exhale now. Tuck your toes under for me. And then you're going to lift up your knees. Walk it back. So your knees are going to kind of split out to the sides. And I'm very aware that we have different flexibility things going on here. I'm not offering you a bunch of modifications. So maybe you're kind of like up here, all right? Your heels are lifted, and I'm just pushing down into the balls of my feet, trying to feel that feel-good energy. 3, maybe walk your hands forward. Yeah, feel that nice softness. 2. Good. Exhale, bring the knees down. Come back to hands and knees. Inhale the right arm up. This time thread the needle. So you're going to take that right arm up, under and through. And then you're going to raise your left arm up. And then keep it there or bring it over your head. 3. Good. Stretch out your back. 2. Exhale, put the left hand down. Inhale, right arm rises. Good, switch. Left arm, inhale, reach it up. Good, we call this thread the needle, feed it through. Finding mobility in the spine. Right arm rises. Reach over your head. Stretch. 3. I need this even with how much yoga I practice. Just these simple stretches, 5 minutes here, 6 minutes there, 8 minutes there. So good. Good, and see what 5 days a week does for you. Good, release. Exhale, try to sit back on those heels like we started with. Good, and then I want you to inhale, pop those hips up. Exhale down. Good, inhale, pop them up. Exhale down. Inhale, pop your hips up, step your right foot forward. One more time for me. Good, sink in, maybe hold it. If you prefer dynamic, do that. Otherwise, just a static hold. 3, 2, and if you're starting to feel a little heat, that's okay. Sometimes you will with these hip stretches. Switch. Last one, left leg forward. Good, settle in, sink in, breathe and hold. 3. Open up your heart. 2. Good, exhale now, come through standing. Good. Exhale, breathe in and out, roll your shoulders. Hands to heart center. Have a very beautiful day. Congrats on day 2 of Dawn Patrol. Namaste. I'll see you tomorrow, guys, for day 3 of our 5-day week together.